So, Jamie, what do we need for this experiment of ours?
Well, Tyler, you need 2 books.
Of
Same
size, width,
everything.
all that stuff.
Same variety.
All right. And, well, here is where the fun begins. Right, Jamie?
Yay.
So, basically, all you do is put one page this way and one page the other way. And so it continues for all 100 and some Sudoku puzzles. Don't you dare put 2 pages together like that. Well, here we are. Well, we're done now. Just the last couple of pages in. And as you can see, well, try it, Jamie. Try and pull this apart if you can. I thought you were stronger than that. You have to pull, Jamie, like with your big,
weight room is.
with your big muscular arms. Like rip these books apart. You're so weak. So what we did is we put these clamps on the spines, not to, push them harder together, but just so we can get a grip on them and see if our 2 muscular arms and legs together can pull them apart. So 1, 2, 3.
The book started to tear.
The book. Oh, that's.
The book full-fledged.
Okay, so the books aren't coming apart, but the spine tore on this one.
Instead of.
So obviously this bind is stronger than we thought. Our next plan of action deals with the help of my father. Hi, Dad.
How about that?
How about that? And we are going to drill holes in after he plugs it in. Hold on a moment. We have to plug this in. Always remember to plug in your equipment, everyone. So, now that we have that, and we are about to switch on the Sudoku books and drill holes into the paper, with adult supervision, of course. I trust my dad. He doesn't trust me. Look at that. Now we have a hole, which we are going to slide these bolts and nuts into to hopefully get a better grip than just a clamp on the bare glossy paper. Okay, so we just came to the recent discovery that rope is not going to be the best thing to use, and instead we are going to use heavy-duty chain attached to this book in an attempt to pull it apart. This is our new grip for holding the books together. However sick and twisted that looks, we'll see if this is enough to pull the books apart. Somehow, I think that we're going to lose again. You want to try this one, Jamie? I'm dying. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this isn't glued or anything. This is just pages stuck together. Like, weaved together. We haven't done anything to hold the book together. I think this calls for more drastic measures yet. Okay, so our new plan involves this hitch and the books and picking me up all the way up to the top. So
I have 911 on speed dial.
Yeah, really? Okay. So we're gonna hope that these books are gonna hold me, because if they won't, then I died in the name of science.
Oh, okay.
Please don't fall. Okay, so by some strange remarks that were made, we determined that Jamie weighs more than I do, but we're not going to disclose that information because you never ask what a woman weighs. So, as you can see, these books are doing they're doing all right. How's it going, Jamie?
Oh my god.
Yeah, those books aren't going anywhere. Okay, so as you could tell, that wasn't enough. Picking us up wasn't enough for this, so we decided the next best thing to do is drive 2 cars apart from one each other with the book in the middle. Now, if this holds, then I'm going to be very impressed. Oh my gosh! Really? Okay, so he just pulled the truck. He just pulled the truck with this car with the emergency brake on, and the pages have not moved.
Alright. Now it's in gear. We'll have to drag the truck.
I say this is the new way we hitch cars up.
Yeah,
Driving down the interstate.
you don't need a trail hitch for like screw tow trucks. All you need is 2 Sudoku books. It's cheaper. Alright, we're gonna try this again. The truck is now in gear instead of the emergency brake on. So oh,
Oh, no.
oh, it didn't. The books didn't even come apart.
Do you have the other book's pages in
I thought
here?
that was going to happen.
Oh, you fool!
Well, no,
Kinda did.
It sorta came apart.
no, it didn't. It tore because they're still all leafed together. Over
Okay,
there.
so the book didn't come apart. The pages ripped in the middle.
Yeah.
So
well, you can. That's your.
Here you go.
Just look here. You can see they're all still there. They're just torn off.
all of the pages
You
from the
doubled
other
a page, Tyler.
sorry, all the pages from the other book are still in here. Holy wow! Okay, so yeah, this is an awkward camera angle. I already know that was gonna happen, but in thinking about this phenomena, I guess I was trying to find an explanation to why this would work, because it really doesn't make much sense at all why the pages wouldn't just slide apart. Well, according to some research that I've done, the resistance to separation depends on the fact that the outer pages tend to press the inner pages together slightly. So, like, tension between the pages is pretty evenly distributed on the surfaces of each page. So, if, like, say the overlap is 5 inches by 11 inches, like the size of, I don't know, one page, on 2 books of, I don't know, 200 pages each, like, no matter how much weight you put on it, the surface area of all the pages is going to just, like, evenly distribute the tension of the pulling together, along with the fact that when you pull outwards, the outward covers will push together on the meshing pages, and the friction on all of the pages, it's I don't know, insignificant between like 2 individual pages, but with the multiplied fact that the outside is pushing down on each of the pages and like multiplied exponentially as all the pages are pushed together, the friction between all of them is thousands of according to some calculations, two books of similar size to these would take 36,000 newtons to pull apart before they just slide. And before that would happen, the pages would rip, just like our experiment did. So, instead of the pages sliding apart, it's just not going to happen. The pages are going to tear. It's physics. How about that?